I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at some of the things that a 3M designer hook can actually hold. So 3M says that this command hook can hold up to 3 pounds. Let's see some of the items that you can put on there and hold up with it. So a bottle of cleaning supplies, that works well. Hook it on there, no problem. A mask, important for our times. This isn't heavy, but it's a nice thing to have a mask hooked by your door. That's easy to remove later when hopefully we don't need to be wearing these things around all the time. Let's see, TV remote, Roku remote. Always losing that. Nice to have a hook for it. Keychain, kind of a classic. Have that by the door, put your keys on it. Hanging photos, that's great for that. So you can take one of these photo strings, put a Instax photo in there, and then hang this between two command hooks. A shoe, kind of unconventional, but I've definitely seen people do that. Great way to make use of space in your closet vertically. Okay, so this is a little bit crazy and silly, but this is my Thomas pop-up tent. This hook is actually strong enough to hold the whole thing up. Puts onto the back here. Not a great use of space, but yep, command hook can handle that. It's an empty laundry bin if you're not using it at the time. Again, in your laundry room, put it on a command hook. You could even put some light laundry in there, no problem. Shopping, as long as you're not exceeding the 3 pounds. Clothing, that kind of thing, hook a bag on there. Easy to store stuff, again, in a closet or in an entryway. Cables, this is a great thing to store in your shop, or if you've got an AV kind of setup and you want to be able to put cables off to the side that you're not always using, easy to put those on your command hook. Tape and supplies like that works really well. So that's a look at just some of the things you can hang on your 3M command hook, some of the weight that it can support. Really great, really versatile, and then when you're done, this hook just easily can come off of the wall. Just lift this up and pull the adhesive off, no damage to the wall, yet you can hang all of those things.